Yeah, you want to bang Chris, bro?
Oh. Yeah, man. Have you got any crisps?
Oh, you want some Chris, bro?
Oh, yeah. Which one shall I have? There's green crisps and red crisps. Oh, look.
Should we ask Siri?
Let's ask
what
the
chips?
wheel crisps.
Ah.
Which one am I gonna get?
It's a,
Fuck!
it's a sad day.
Say, I really did not want the green one. Right, nothing green.
Green chips.
Look, just to prove it. Okay, we're gonna play a game.
Oh, we're playing
It's
Animal
called
Quiz today, guys.
Can you name the animals by viewing an image of the animal's eye zoomed in? Very long-winded title.
Snake. Oh, shall I type? But then you tell me.
Snake. That one. We have to do it in order though.
Okay.
Horse. Leopard.
Leopard, yeah. Oh, wait.
Cheetah.
That is well cheetah.
What is that, man?
Maybe yes. Tiger. Oh. Turtle. Tortoise. Tortoise. Is
What
there
the
any U in it?
fuck? Is it like a jaguar? No, I don't know.
Maybe it's an ocelot.
Let's get that
Should we ask our viewers? That's a panda.
one.
What the hell is that? Is that a
Vote
croc?
in the comments, man. Crocodile.
Oh, it's a croc. What?
That's a deer.
That's
LA.
Human. That's a fox.
Frog.
Frog.
Polar.
Oh shit.
What?
That's a joke. A lion.
Fish.
Octopus.
Oh, what
Owl.
kind of eyes?
Yeah, bro.
Badger. Oh yeah, raccoon. Sorry. What I said.
It's 2 seasons. Rocket badger.
Parrot.
That's a hawk. Wait, that's
Fuck. 27 seconds.
oh.
Zebra. Oh, zebra. What was that? Okay, wait. What's
One more
that?
to get.
Guys, help us. What is it?
Fake friends, guys. Tell us what the answer is.
Fake news, man. Friends.
What in the Nando's half chicken fuck is that, bro? Mom! Oh. Yes. Cat. It was a cat. It was cat. You're so money and you don't even know it. Now go win some money on Fleetwit.
19 out of 20.
What's this? Oh.
I think this is where we end the video.
Like, subscribe,
Catch you in the next one, and
comment what you
also-
want to. Oh.
we're still here.
So do you still want to maybe go for that
Shall
date
we
later, or-
fuck now? Or?